assessment asks us to provide a mechanism for this cyclization reaction. The first step of this mechanism is going to be the lone pair on nitrogen attacking the carbonyl carbon of the ester, breaking the carbonyl carbon-oxygen bond and putting a pair of electrons locally onto oxygen. That's going to form a 6-atom intermediate where nitrogen has a positive charge now, oxygen has a negative charge, and this allows us to go to the second step. The second step of this mechanism is going to be a lone pair on oxygen collapsing back down to reform the carbonyl, kicking out oxygen as a leaving group. This reforms the carbonyl. Nitrogen, though, still has a positive charge. And so the last step of this mechanism is going to be using this negatively charged oxygen to deprotonate and neutralize the nitrogen. This will form this lactam product in this mechanism. This is the mechanism for the formation of this lactam.